Hey y'all, Zeke Johnson here with Detroit Real Estate Man. I want to bring y'all a couple of videos, man, about some new stuff I've been doing in my wholesale business. Like y'all know I'm a flipper. I mainly flip houses. This past year we did over 15 flips, $1.5 million in revenue, over $1.5 million in revenue. But the market is slowing down a little bit, so I'm trying to be cautious. So I've been, revving up my wholesale business. Been doing some wholesale deals. So I teach a wholesale class and a fix and flip class. A lot of people have been buying a wholesale class and asking me a ton of questions. And I just want to try to make this thing as simple as possible for y'all. And you guys are trying to make it hard. Okay, when I first started, when it's brand new, it's kind of hard to like put everything in order. So I just want to make this video to make everything about wholesaling easy. You have to remember, as a wholesaler, you are here to solve somebody's problem, okay? That's one thing you got to understand what a wholesaler is. If you're not solving someone's problem, it's probably not a wholesale deal. I get a lot of times, my people are cold calling, and they may send me a deal, and the person, I may listen to the call, they don't sound motivated at all. They want retail price for their house. They feel like they done all this work. They're not in a distressed situation. I don't even bother because I know they're not about to give me the property where I can make some money. So I don't even bother. But it's okay because there's somebody out there that's going through a divorce that needs to sell their property now. Their property worth $200,000. They only bought it for $75,000. They'll take $125,000 cash, and you can wholesale that thing and make you a quick $10,000. I know if I don't find that person, it's somebody that then died today and left a property, to a home, to a sibling or a loved one, and you can buy a pre-probate lead and get that lead within a week and can be working on that deal. If that's not the case, somebody that died a year ago, property still tied up in probate, you just call them and bam, you got a deal under contract and ready to close. If you don't have that, somebody is behind in their taxes, about to lose their house to tax auction, tax foreclosure. Somebody's behind in a mortgage, they got a pre-foreclosure. So those are the type of people and the leads you need to be going after. Now, you may ask yourself, well, I went after those leads, I still ain't got no deal. It's been 8 months. Stop kidding yourself. How have you went after those deals? What type of tenacity have you used or go-getter attitude have you used to really go get a deal? Because one thing about life, you find what you're looking for, okay? If you out here just rambling and ain't found nothing, that's probably why. If you're not willing to put any money towards your marketing, buy some lists from list source, download the Deal Machine app. Somebody told me today that they seen that it cost $50 a month and they didn't want to deal with it. But I tried to drive for dollars not using Deal Machine, and it was irritating. I had to write down all those addresses. I had to go home, skip trace it, type them all into the computer, send it to my cold caller. That's just too much. I could pay $50 a month, take a picture of the property, send them a postcard with the address on there. Then I can export that list from Deal Machine and actually send it to my cold callers, and they get a skip trace, and then they start cold calling those leads for me. That's way easier. This is all about streamlining your business and automation, okay? Now, if you don't have the money, please, by any means, do it. Do whatever you have to do to get to that first deal, okay? Second, if you don't have money, things are not popping for you, you haven't found the deal, understand that building a buyer's list is free, okay? Building a buyer's list is free, and you don't need a ton of buyers. I just closed like 3 deals last month for a total of about $12,000. I found all the deals on Facebook. I had 2 buyers that I know buy in those areas I found, and I got them and sent them to him, and I made some money. I've been training other wholesalers on how to wholesale. They've been bringing me deals. But my point is, I partner with people. I JV deals. If you don't want to market, you don't have any money, you can JV deals. And after you JV deals, if you use the techniques I show you, on how to build a buyer's list through Craigslist, through Ghost Ads, through Facebook groups. There's so many buyers in these Facebook groups. And if you run into a good wholesaler, you can leverage his buyer's list. Okay? So if you haven't done a deal and you've been in the game a while, take a step back. Analyze what you're doing, how you're doing it. If you think you're doing everything, go out there and build you a strong buyer's list. Call them. Just don't email them. Call them. Get a feel what people are doing, where they're buying at, what price point they're buying at. So now when you see a deal somewhere, you know instantly that you can make you a quick $5,000 or $10,000, okay? And that's what I did when I found these few Facebook leads, okay? So what I would want you guys to do, man, is start building your buyer's list. If you haven't found a deal yet and you need the money, trying to get your first deal, build your strong buyer's list by going to Facebook groups, all the Facebook investment groups, okay? And you everybody that has that's selling a house or saying they want to buy a house, you want to talk to them, because a seller is a buyer, okay? And somebody that's in their timeline is saying, send me this, send me that property, send me this deal, here's my email. They probably a buyer or a wholesaler that knows some buyers, and you can leverage their relationship and make some money. That's what people have been doing to me, and I've been doing that with people since I've been in wholesaling. I didn't have no money when I started to do any marketing. So marketing was out the door for me. The only marketing I can do is networking, okay? That's going to network meetings, meeting people, talking to people, okay? And I would JV with other wholesalers. So that's how you're gonna get to your first deal. But when you close on that first deal, you have to go start some marketing. Go buy you a list, cold call somebody, get you a Mojo Dollar or call tools, or dial yourself. And right now you can be doing you can be driving for dollars. That's free. You can walk for dollars, you got a car, you can ride the bus for dollars, ride a bike for dollars, or Uber for dollars, whatever you want to call it, to get it to go up neighborhoods and find vacant houses where you can skip trace them. People search, I think people search or something, .com or something. A lot of wholesalers have been using that as a free site. So that's how you're gonna get to your first deal, people, okay? So I just want to give you guys that encouragement, man. I just closed a few deals off Facebook, just making sure what I teach is legitimate. I literally do exactly what I teach. So, and I'm not a big marketer, so don't think I'm out here spending $50,000 a month marketing. No, I don't do that. I know how to find deals organically. I know how to network. I know how to brand myself. I know how to spot opportunity when I see people talking about it online, and so forth and so on, okay? So I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna make another video, telling you guys a lot of this different stuff that's in my class and showing you what I'm doing to consistently close deals. So just keep watching, subscribe, like, share, and I'm gonna keep bringing you guys some good content and some good value, and hopefully see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good one.